Hey everybody, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit. I'm here with my good friend Dan. We're going to be here at the Sunset Gym today, teaching you a great lower body leg workout when your lower back is hurting. We're going to be using the Smith machine for a bar thigh lunge where you can go nice and heavy, hitting the hips and the legs and sparing compression and irritation to the lower back. Hope you enjoy it. So for the bar thigh Smith machine lunge, we're going to use your standard Smith machine, which of course we have an Olympic bar set up on these pins that keep it in line going up and down so there's no balance issue from side to side. If you do this with a straight Olympic bar, there could be a balance issue of it wobbling side to side. We're going to position our body so that our front leg is under the bar. We have a towel or a pad wrapped around the bar so it allows the thigh to be a little more comfortable with the pressure of the bar. We set ourselves up with a parallel stance, meaning that from a normal stance position, Dan is centered so that the center of his thigh, knee, and ankle are all in alignment with one another. The typical mistake a lot of people will make is they will externally rotate the back thigh so that the heel is pointed in. You want to make sure that heel is straight back, not tilted in or out. He's going to keep a little tailbone under tension to relax the erector spinae muscles in the lower back, and that will engage his abdominal muscles and allow him to recruit his glute max, which is a major mover with this exercise. On his front leg side, whatever leg is forward, he's going to make sure that he holds that hip down so it resists the tendency to hike up towards his rib cage. Most people doing lunges are going to want to hike up mistakenly that front hip. That creates compression on that side of the back and an overstretch on the other side, affecting discs, joints, as well as straining muscles. His front leg, he's going to make sure that his foot is far enough forward that his knee is behind and it's going to be remaining behind his toes the whole time, and that he has proper tracking with his leg, meaning that his kneecap and his toes are going to face straight ahead. He's going to release the bar. He's going to avoid leaning into the front side leg as well, and he's going to go straight down and straight up. And what I'm doing here is I just have my fingers on the top of his hip and the bottom of his ribs, checking to make sure he's not tilting one side or another. You'll notice his posture is straight up and down. Just keep going nice and slow. He's keeping his ear, shoulder, and hip in a straight alignment so the spine is not axially loaded with pressure like in a squat or a typical lunge with the bar across the back. And he's getting a great hip and leg workout. His back thigh, the front of it, his rectus femoris, may be stretching. If that's a little too much overstretched, he can't go down as deep. Do one more rep. Now that's just the weight of the bar. That's good, and lock it up. And you can tell, this guy works out all the time. He's doing the bar thigh lunge with a 45-pound Olympic bar, and you felt it in there, didn't you? It's a great workout. So, spare your lower backs. You can put heavy weight on. When I train with this, I like to go up to the 350 to 450 range for good reps of 5 to 10, and it's a heck of a hip, upper leg, buttock workout. You're sparing the lower back. Enjoy it. Bar thigh lunges at the Smith machine.